One Size Beauty just came out with a brand new ultra blurring setting powder, and it's bright pink, and I can't wait to try this on and test it out. We're gonna dive right in. So this is it right here. So you've got the iconic pink, which I love. Like, this is just fabulous. I love having this in my collection. And of course, the original setting powder in the fair color, which is one of my favorites. I love that one too. Like, this is just beautiful. So you've got his iconic packaging. I wish he got rid of this. I'm just gonna say it. Like, I love the component in itself. I do not love this little plastic thingy. And I'm just going to point this out in his Instagram stories when he talked about this. He, in fact, took this little plastic thingy off. He doesn't use it himself. So I'm like, you know what, sweetie? You can, like, you know, get rid of that. But, okay, here it is. So we're just going to take this off to get the product out. It's a little irritating. I like having a lid there. I'm not going to lie, but this is what this is good for. We're just going to really tap that on there, just to get this product out. Again, I hate this component. You know what? I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way. Alright, so that's the amount of product I'm looking for when I'm using product. I hate this little plastic thing. I just do. I just do. Patrick, baby, sweetie, I love you, but I hate the plastic thing. This is called Ultra Pink. He launched 2 brand new colors in the collection. There's Ultra Pink, and then there is Sweet Honey. What I love about this product is that he claims 24-hour shine control. This is a light matte powder, which is beautiful and super blurring. And you've got the oil control, you've got this, you've got that. Like, this is just amazing. So I love that he created this pink product, because I like the Huda Beauty pink one. But at the same time, do I reach for it? Not really, because I feel like it just doesn't sit on my skin the best. And I love the Patrick formula, so I'm hoping that this one is amazing. I also really do like the Givenchy formula as well, the prismatic one. That one is like 4 colors in one. If you guys have tried that, actually, you know what? PSA, they just launched a mini version of that if you guys are interested in picking that up. That one does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, when this one is more of a matte formula. But I'm excited to dive right into this. Now that I have the product out, so we're going to take a beauty sponge right here. I've just got like a clean beauty sponge. This is a dry beauty sponge. So to apply this powder, you can go in with a brush. You can go in with an angled powder puff. I super love this Velour Run White here that I get on Amazon. These are amazing. So you can go in with his angled powder puff right here. Also, this would work super well if you've got this or any large powder puff. You could also go in with a brush and just tap that on and wipe it off. Now, it all depends on how you want to powder your face. Do you want like a light, you know, bake, or do you really want to make a cake out of it and just really go hard and, you know, really pack it on there? You can do both, but today we're just going to go in. I'm going to powder my under eye area and the rest of my face with this. I'm really going to show you guys what this looks like. So, I've got product on my face already, so, but no powder. We're going to go in, I'm just going to tap into this, and I'm going to just powder under my eye. I'm only going to do half my face so you guys can see what the difference looks like. Already, like the shine, it's gone. Love that. There is no scent to this whatsoever. Super loving the blurring action that's happening. I've got a little bit of contour on. I'm going to go right over that. Okay, the shine control, I'm not even done yet, but I'm just like, wow. Not that I'm going to say I'm overly shiny, but I did go in with a dewier foundation today, because I really wanted to test this out. It wouldn't make sense if I went in with a matte foundation to test this out. So today, I went in with something amazing. And I'll have all those products linked for you guys in the description box. But this is like, wow. Like, if you want a filter for your face that's going to give you that instant blur, like, this is it. I'm just going to take a large powder brush. This one right here is from It Cosmetics. I'm just going to powder off any excess. Okay, instant blurring. Like, I'm just like, wow. Like, this is crazy. If you guys literally look, like, on this side, again, I've got my foundation, all my products, everything's linked in the description. This is everything without powder. It's looking, you know, fresh, and it's looking dewy. This side, instant blur. And it's like a light, oh my god, it's like silk. It's just so gorgeous. Like, this just feels good. It feels good on the skin. Does not feel tacky. It's just sensational, like having silk on your skin. I love it. Now, I went in with the pink product all over my face. Now, normally I wouldn't do that. I'm just testing out the product right now. Normally I would probably put it right under my eye. I would put it right here where I would put my highlight as well, and maybe just a little bit here. The rest of the perimeter of my face I'd probably go in with his original formula, the light shade, because that's the one I use, because I don't want it to be super, super bright in your face, because this is giving me a beautiful angelic look, but it is just a little bit bright for me. But it's stunning. It's absolutely stunning. Now, he also launched the Sweet Honey color, which is a little bit more yellow toned. Now, if you have deeper skin, I recommend putting that on the perimeter of your face. That's going to look amazing. That with the pink, yes, that's going to be a look for you. It's going to be iconic, but for me, it's just a little bit too dark, so I didn't pick up that one. But if you've got deeper skin, go for it. You're going to look fantastic. There is a reason that he created the pink one, and I love that he did this, because having a pink under eye powder makes it look brighter. You're just going to get that angelic look. It's just stunning. So if you guys haven't picked up the Huda, if you haven't picked up the Givenchy, and you want to give this a try, I completely recommend it. You're going to fall in love with it and love it the way I do, because this is amazing. This is $44 Canadian. Unfortunately, right now they don't have the mini version, but I do foresee the mini version coming in the future, because he has mini versions for all the other colors in his collection. So, you know, if you're going to wait on it, definitely do that. But this is amazing. You're definitely going to go through it. Alright guys, check out my latest video right here. You're going to love it. It's fantastic. It's a brand new color corrector from Huda Beauty, and it's amazing. I'm wearing it right now, so this flawless finish on my complexion, that's what I've got on. Alright guys, until next time, live, love, and lip gloss. Bye!